I don't know how well y'all can see that, but that looks so good. What's up guys, thanks for stopping in on Bridget's Vlog. So today we're gonna be working on Puff the Magic Dragon, the truck that I built and the truck that I love. First thing we gotta do is wait on Josh. Now let me show you what we're gonna be doing on Puff. Oh, since it's nighttime, let me show you guys what my headlights do at night. Watch this. That is just the running lights. My headlights aren't even on. It's that bright. It's crazy. Oh, I love it. The reason I can say I love it, because I built the truck. So let's turn on this little switch behind the steering wheel. What did that do? Did that. As you can see in the truck, we have a underglow system in the grill, under the grill, shining at the ground, and on the sides, shining at the ground, and one above the axle. So these, and yes, those oil spots are from an oil leak. Puff has an oil leak. He's sick. I know, we had to help him. But there's one point that the underglow is missing. See that little wire hanging right there? I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a little wire hanging because there used to be a strip above the rear axle that connected to there. But whenever they painted the truck at VFX Painter, when they painted the truck, I forgot to tell them about the underglow, so when they took the bed off, it ripped the underglow. Not their fault, not blaming them, my fault. I ended up thinking that both of the strips were like this, destroyed, dirty, ripped apart, but actually one of them was like this, all nice, the wires tucked and all that. It's still in great condition. So we're gonna put at least one strip on the back. I wish we could put both, but that's not happening. So we're gonna be putting one on the back and making it great again. Josh is here, which means we can finally get this rear underglow strip on. So due to my friends, Heath, Josh, Sammy, a bunch of people, my neighbors absolutely hate me. Thank you, Josh.
Huh?
Huh?
You say do it again?
No, that's not at all what I said. I hate you.
Heath, Sammy, my neighbors absolutely hate me. Josh, do it again.
We only have one underglow strip that's good, and it's gonna be really simple. We just zip tie it to the bed, bolt it in, or not bolt it in, what am I saying? Plug it in, and then
it'll work.
okay.
Yeah, I'm laying under it.
Oh, I'm hanging. That was kind of cool. I hope the vlog saw that.
You know, I always forget there's an R35.
That's because it's not cool. I'm probably gonna get so many hate comments for saying that because there's so many fanboys for the R35.
Yeah, but they don't watch this channel.
That's true.
You're good until like
R35 sucks. Like, I'm serious. Like, it's a cool car, but it's not. You know, it's so big and it's like ugly. I mean, it's got a good engine.
So last time I mounted it there, and the exhaust melted it. So this
we should
time,
put it here.
Yeah, but then and shine it this way.
Let's shine it. We should put it here and shine it down.
Pitch.
Here. Zip tie to the back.
So we mounted the strip here, pretty easy. Then we just gotta wire it in, and then we'll show you guys the completed product. So we got the back on, you can see it makes it look a lot better in contrast and stuff. Now it shines on the tip, and in person it looks different. And yes, I know the wires are hanging, but I'm just trying to get the video done because the battery's dying, that's why I'm talking fast, blah, 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 blah. So, thanks for your help. That was really easy. How easy was that?
That was like, we were literally under there for maybe 20 seconds.
Like 20 seconds, yeah. We just put it on, and it's all good to go. So now, the other part of the video.
We should probably put the wires up.
Yeah, we'll put the wires up. Josh, turn around and say something funny.
Dinkelberg!
So the underglow turned out pretty cool, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it looked really good.
Yeah, I think it did too. But we are on a mission. In case you haven't noticed, my truck doesn't roll any coal. And if you don't know what rolling coal is, look it up. We have one more tune that we haven't tried out of the new tunes, and we're gonna see if that one causes it to roll coal. So we're gonna get in there and we're gonna switch to that tune. So it's pretty easy. All we got to do is enter a bunch of information like what tire size we have, what gearing we have, stuff like that. And then it just says, do you want to do this custom tune? And it's like, yeah. And then it prepares the data, do not turn key off, blah, 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 blah. It's pretty simple. So it's going to take a while to load it. It has to get up to 100% and it has to do it twice. So we'll see y'all whenever it's loaded. So we just loaded the tunes, and so now the first startup. Doesn't sound any different because really these tunes don't make a difference in that sense. So I'm gonna go grab my shoes and my wallet, and then we're gonna drive it and see if we have finally achieved rolling coldness.
We know it's able to roll coal.
We know it's able to, yes, because it used to. Yeah. So we'll see if this one is the one that does it. If I can smell it that much, it makes me think it can roll coal.
Never know. So this truck used to roll like a lot of coal, like a lot, and then he tuned it and stuff. And ever since he tuned the truck, it's just stopped. It just doesn't roll coal anymore. He's got 4 different tunes he goes through, and the only one that rolls just a little bit is the race tune. But he hasn't tried this tune out yet, and so that's what we're trying out today, just to see if finally he can get it to roll coal again. Because it's been so long since it's done it, and he misses it. His future plans, he does want to get this truck dyno tuned and have them tune it just to roll coal. Like he said, I don't care how much power we lose, I want it to roll coal, more coal than anything else. Now you guys know for the future. That was stupid.
That feels good. It already feels different.
Does it?
Yeah. That feels really good.
That's good to hear. Is it warm? It's not warm.
It's not warm, but...
Are you gonna get on it? Oh, it did.
Oh!
It did.
And that was barely anything.
Yeah, a little bit.
We're gonna let it warm up and then we'll get back to y'all. So, one thing is tunes, whenever you load them, they usually take a while to come into full effect. And so I'm thinking, in a few days after driving the truck a bunch, then it'll roll more coal, because it was rolling back there a little bit. So I'm thinking we give it time and it'll roll even more, which is cool. But I wanted to tell y'all what happened last night. Me and Josh and Zach were driving later in the night in the Jetta, looking for like somewhere to eat because we were kind of hungry. We were thinking Taco Bell, but it was closed, which is weird, usually they're not. But we're driving and we see a Sebring Orange C706, and we're like, oh, we're looking at it and stuff. And then I look down and I realize I'm kind of going into the other lane, and I'm going like 30 and a 45, and I'm like, oh dang. And so then I corrected myself and I started going 45. Cop gets behind me, and he's following us and all that, and then eventually he turns on his lights, and I'm like, oh no, he thinks I'm a drunk driver. And I'm like, this is just, you know, I can't get another ticket because like I have a wonderful driving record. I was like, okay, this isn't good. So we're pulled over and stuff. The cop comes walking up. I'm like, I think I know him, and I'm not gonna say his name, but the cop was a friend of mine, and he's like, Kevin, and I was like, hey, blank blank blank. I was like, hey, and stuff. He goes, what are you doing? I was like, I'm going Taco Bell. And he goes, what was that swerve? And I was like, I saw a Corvette. And he's like, oh my gosh. And he goes, and he's like, and I went to hand him my license and registration. He's like, I don't need that. And so yeah,
that's 2000.
That's 2000. Yep, there it is.
Yellow.
And so then what happened after that? Oh yeah, we just started talking about like some other people we knew and stuff. And then he was like, all right, the DUI guy was on his way because I thought you were a drunk driver, and so I knew it. But yeah, so that's pullover story of the vlog, I guess.
It was a really nice Corvette. In our defense,
it was a 2019 too, because Sebring Orange is a 2019 color.
We were all looking at it. It was a Z06, so we were like, well, that's worth our attention. And it happens, you know. Oh, it was like 2:30 in the morning, so don't think when we swerved out of his lane we were close to hitting anyone else, because we were like the only people on the road.
And I barely swerved out of lane. I swerved out of lane like a half a foot.
Yeah, it wasn't anything bad. That was quite a bit.
I think it rolls coal now.
Yeah, that was good.
I guess we finally figured it out. We finally made the truck roll coal, and if you watch my last videos, you can see that I've been tuning it left and right, trying to figure out, or trying to get it to roll coal. And like, you know, I had that one video I accidentally made my truck louder, which made it louder, but now it might be even more louder. But now it rolls coal, finally, and I'm not gonna change the tune because that's pretty much all I want. I want it fast, sound good, and roll coal. So now I'm a happy person. I think I'm gonna wash my truck.
We can watch the Miata too.
We could just wash them both.
Watch them both.
Good way to end the video, you think?
We can watch them, not wash them.
Watch them?
Watch them.
Watch them. We could watch each other wash them.
Perfect.
You think that's a good way to end the
I
video?
love watching you.